Friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is Everything Farmhouse. Our host is our little gray house, Lady in Red Crafting, and our guest host is Crafting with Indiana Jones. Please check out all their channels in the description box and the amazing creators in the playlist. And if you haven't, subscribe. These into the farmhouse. Never really done any training transfers like this. So this is kind of new to me. I've done some sublimation transfers and then you have to rub into your arm off. I just scraped and scraped and scraped on that thing forever. I didn't want to have to subject you to watch me scrape for probably 5 minutes. But that is how it turned out. I just peek under and see if I got it. I started on this section and scrape, scrape, scrape. And then when I seen I got it this far, then I went on over and just lifted up a little bit more, made sure I got it all until I went all the way across. And that section there took the longest. It didn't want to go down. I think it turned out rather cute. Now we just have to decorate it. Oh, and then we'll do some beads. What's beeping in my house? I think it's something like that. My husband has some beeping. some of you will think, I hope it's not a bomb. I think it's his battery charger that he left on. This would be really cute in a kitchen, and same way with the other one. The transfers I'm going to put on this. Add this cow, and then this. Which is fun because June being Dairy Month, this is kind of a Dairy Month thing. In the past, I did dairy tablescapes. This year, I guess I'm gonna do DIYs. Okay, that's how I want it. And then we'll just scrape. And as you know, this will take quite a while. So I won't subject you to watch me scrape transfers for like 5-10 minutes. But you just take a scraper and just scrape till you see that it's lifted. You just I keep peeking and make sure it's all put down on your surface before you pull. I had to go back and trim and make sure this transfer was away from the cow, so we didn't have a missing ear or missing backside. You start to get them to come up onto the canvas. See how you see the colors going away from the plastic and onto the surface. Okay, here's some little transfers, farmhouse ones that I found on Amazon. It's actually been, I think, a couple years ago. I think I'm going to use the cow. I could do the home sweet home, but I think I'm going to do the cow. Here's our first two DIYs, the natural farm milk and the premium quality farm fresh organic products. I think these would be cute in a kitchen. Here's our farmhouse door hanger, and I didn't want to cover up this transfer other than I will spray it with spray to keep it intact, because it took me so long to get that transfer right. Hope you enjoyed it.